Shalom upon all the children of Israel and Judah forever. So we are at Coco St Lucia, upstairs in the restaurant. Beautiful view. Very beautiful view of St. Lucia on the So this is St. Lucia's west side. Look at the lush greenery down in the valley here. It is so rich soil. You can see a little tiny building. I don't know if you can see it, like right there above my finger. With a beautiful sunset. It's the western view of St. Lucia at the Coco St. Lucia chocolate factory. Beautiful, beautiful view. I love this place to go hiking, bird watching, bathing in the rivers, finding springs. This is awesome. Till next time, shalom upon all the children of Israel and Judah forever.